And there is perhaps no better example of this than the Antikythera Mechanism. Discovered in 1901 off the coast of Antikythera, a small Greek island in the Aegean Sea, the Antikythera Mechanism was found among the wreckage of an ancient ship. At first, it didn't look like much, a corroded, lumped-together mass of metal that had spent nearly 2,000 years beneath the sea. But as researchers carefully examined the artifact, they realized they were looking at something far more sophisticated than they had ever seen from the ancient world. Beneath the layers of rust and decay, hidden inside the encrusted metal, were the remnants of a complex system of gears, intricate, finely crafted, and unlike anything else known from antiquity. At the time of its discovery, technology of this level was thought to be impossible in ancient Greece. Yet, as scientists slowly pieced together the fragments, it became clear that this was no ordinary artifact. It was, in essence, an ancient analog computer, a device designed to predict astronomical positions and even eclipses with extraordinary precision. The level of craftsmanship required to create such a device suggested knowledge of advanced engineering principles, ones that wouldn't officially reappear until at least 1400 years later during the Renaissance.